Hi. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the process of merging PDFs from the Ninox database using PDF.co and Make. By following this guide and utilizing the integration of PDF.co and Make, you can simplify your document management workflow and easily merge PDFs from your Ninox database. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. You may visit PDF.co for more additional information. We will use this sample PDFs from Ninox database and merge them into a single PDF document. So without any delay, let's begin. Let's start by opening your Make account and create a new scenario. Next, search and select the Ninox app. Then navigate to the List Database Table Records option. This will allow you to retrieve the complete list of records from the specified table. Let's set up the Ninox configuration. First, connect your Ninox account to Make. This will enable Make to access your Ninox account. In the Team field, select the name of your Ninox workspace. Next, enter the specific name of your Ninox database. Then specify the table where your source PDFs are stored. Lastly, set the maximum number of results to be processed during one execution cycle. Let's proceed to add another module and select the HTTP app. And choose the Get a File option to initiate the downloading of a file from the provided URL. Under the HTTP section, in the URL field, choose the Record Fields URL option. This will ensure that the URL for downloading the file is sourced from the relevant field in your Ninox records. Let's add another module to upload all the files using the HTTP functionality and select the PDF.co app. Then choose the Upload a File option to upload files into temporary storage for use with PDF.co. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, connect your PDF.co account to Make by adding your API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Now let's proceed to add the Tools module. Within the Tools module, select the Text Aggregator option. This functionality allows you to aggregate multiple strings into a single text output. Let's set up the Text Aggregator configuration. First, select the Ninox List Database Table Records option and enable the Show Advanced settings. In the Row Separator field, choose the Other option. For the Separator field, input a comma to separate the URLs. For the Text field, select the resulting URL from PDF.co, Upload a File module. Let's proceed to add another module and select the PDF.co app. And choose the Merge a PDF option to combine multiple PDFs into a single document. Let's set up the Merge PDF configuration. For the Enable non-PDF files as an input field, let's select the No option. You can set it to Yes if you're using non-PDF files as input. For the Input Type field, select the Input Links option. In the Input Link field, add the text obtained from the Text Aggregator result. This will provide the necessary input for merging the PDFs into a single document. For the File Name field, enter the specific name for the output file. Once you have completed the configuration setup, simply click on the Run button to initiate the scenario and merge the multiple files into a single PDF document. The scenario runs successfully and return a temporary URL. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully merged into a single PDF document. To learn more about PDF.co and its features, kindly check out our tutorials available on our website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.